Hare Krishna. So today we are going to see type 4, that is whole square, whole cube, whole power 4, whole power 6 sums, and eliminate theta. Eliminate theta means in the answer you will not get answer in trigonometry terms. Yani theta there will not be the answer. Answer will be 1, 2 or x and y, but not in theta. So these are all type 4. So these 4 questions I have taken from Ncert textbook, which falls under type 4. Type 4. So let us start. First solution. Prove that secant A. First let us copy the LHS. Secant A 1 minus sine A into secant A plus tan A. You need to get the answer as 1. And eliminate theta ho gaya. Yani answer you are getting as 1. He can ask in choose a get answer also. This question. This example question. So how you will get as 1? Eliminate theta means answer you are not getting theta. Trigonometry no answer means you are getting answer 1, 0, 2 like that. So how to start? See. So secant A we can change into 1 by cos A into 1 minus sin A. Secant A plus tan A we can write as 1 by cos A plus tan A we can write as sin A by cos A. Okay sir. Next step, 1 by cos A into 1 minus sin A. Here denominator is same student, cos A. So upper numerator 1 plus sin A we can write. And now student, 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A is 1 minus sin square A. And cos A into cos A is cos square A. So what answer you will get? See. So upper numerator you will get 1 minus sin square A. Denominator you will get cos square A. Both are same student. Because 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. So 1 minus sin square A is cos square A by cos square A. What is the answer student? Cancel. Answer is 1. So we need to get 1 only. We got 1. Okay now? We can do it in another way also. If you want, I can explain. See. Side will do it. That is little smaller way. So how to start? See. So now secant A you can multiply with 1, secant A you can multiply with sin A. Okay, see. So secant A 1s are secant A, and student secant A into sin A. Secant means 1 by cos A. Yani 1 by cos A into sin A. Sin A by secant A is tan A student. Tan A. So it will become tan A. Okay sir. Next secant A plus tan A. A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square, secant square A minus tan square A, and secant square A minus tan square A is 1. So this way also you can do, very small way, you got answer as 1. Okay now, how did we do? Did you got it? Secant A we multiplied with 1, you got secant A, and secant A into sin A is tan A. How sir? Secant A, you should know student, secant A, I'll write here, secant A into sin A. This is formula, no? This concept. So we will write in yellow pen. Secant A into sin A, when you do, you will get tan A. How? See. Secant A is 1 by cos A into sin A. So sin A by cos A is tan A. So secant A into sin A, when you multiplied, you got tan A. So A plus B into A minus B is like this also you can do. This way which I explained you, it is showed in example. These are the steps, or you can do this. Both are correct, both are valid. This is like in eliminate theta. Answer you are not getting in theta. There is no sine, cos. Answer is other than theta. This there is no 1 like that. The first sum we saw. Now the second sum, very important. It is of textbook. See, all are textbook only. Solution, very important, whole square sum. A plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is such an important, student. Actually you can write this sum into trigonometric identities also, because in this all three trigonometric identities we are using, all three trigonometric identities, all three in one sum. So this whole square type also you can write, or you can use in the type 1. All three trigonometric ratios identities we are using in this sum. So important, three trigonometric identities in one sum. Okay, so let us start. First copy the LHS. Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. So A plus B whole square formula everyone knows. A square यानी sin square A plus 2AB यानी 2 into sin A into cosecant A 2AB plus B square यानी cosecant square A plus A plus B whole square cos square A plus 2AB, so 2 cos A into secant A plus B square यानी secant square A. हो गया, expansion completed. Next, so please see it here. Sin A into cosecant A is 1. Sin A into cosecant A is 1. Sir, कैसे? Because cosecant A you can write as 1 by sin A. So we will do step by step. And sin square A plus cos square A is 1. Yes. So sin square A and cos square A we will write together. Okay. And sin A into cosecant A is 1. Cos A into secant A is 1. Cosecant square A identity is 1 plus cot square A. Secant square A identity is 1 plus tan square A. You get the answer complete. See, we'll do step by step. So is equal to sin square A plus cos square A, will write in one bracket. It is 1. First identity we used, plus 2 sin A into cosecant A will write as 1 by sin A, because cosecant A is 1 by sin A. Sin A cancel. Cosecant square A is 1 plus cot square A, and 2 cos A into secant A is 1 by cos A. Cos A cancel. Secant square A is 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus tan square A. So what is the answer? Sin square A plus cos square A is 1, plus 2 ones are 2, plus what is left? 1 plus cot square A, plus 2 ones are 2, plus 1 plus tan square A. Okay, sir. So what is the answer? 1 plus 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. All three identities we used here, sir. All three identities. You can write this in type 1 only, student. Type 1 trigonometric identities. In this, all three identities we have used. It is like whole square sum also, but trigonometric identities we have used all three. So this is very interesting. I'll mark it with yellow. You will come to know. No, this was blue, correct only, na? Yeah. Identities what we use is sin square A plus cos square A, this one, and cosecant square A as 1 plus cot square A. Yes, 1 plus cot square A, secant square A as 1 plus tan square A. Below that I'll mark it. Cosecant square A as 1 plus cot square A, secant square A as 1 plus tan square A. Okay, na? Yes. So three identities we used, and sin square A plus cos square A we wrote it as 1. Okay, sin square plus cos square is 1, na? So this answer is 1. So this answer you got as 2, and then 1 plus cot square as it is. So this answer you got as 2. Okay, na? And 1 plus tan square is as it is. This is 1 plus cot square as it is, 1 plus tan square as it is. 1 plus 2 plus 1, 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7 total, 7 plus tan square plus cot square we got. So what we did, I'll just explain. A plus b whole square, a plus b whole square, and sin square plus cos square we wrote in one bracket, and cosecant a we wrote as 1 by sin a, got cancelled. Cosecant square a identity is 1 plus cot square a, and cos square a we already went in first bracket. So secant a we wrote as 1 by cos a, got cancelled. Secant square a is 1 plus tan square a identity, and then you got the answer. Okay, interesting question. So after second, okay, we shall do this. What is the answer of this? It's like eliminate theta. So solution, how to start? 1 plus convert into sin and cos, sin theta by cos theta. Cosecant as 1 by cos theta. Okay, 1 plus cot theta is cos theta by sin theta minus cosecant theta. What answer you'll get, you'll see. Now we'll take LCM as cos theta. So below 1 there is nothing, cos theta. So when we take LCM, so we should multiply cos theta with 1 and by cos theta. So it will become cos theta. So cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 into, here LCM, sorry, this we should write as 1 by sin theta now, student. Cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. Okay, so here LCM, if we take sin theta, so sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Now if you see, student, which I am just marking like this, you see, this is in the form of, this is like A, this is A, and 1 is like B. So A plus B into A minus B in the numerator. A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. What is A here? Sin theta plus cos theta. So A square minus B square, and denominator, it is in multiplication, sin theta into cos theta. You can multiply. What answer you'll get? You see, cos theta plus sin theta whole square, A plus B whole square, A square minus B square, 1 square, by sin theta into cos theta. Okay, sir. Up now you just expand A plus B whole square and you will get the answer. Okay, sir. So how to do? We'll see it here. Okay. So A cos theta plus sin theta whole square. It will move that side. There will be space here. Okay. So cos theta plus sin theta is A square plus B square plus 2AB and 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 square is 1 by what is left, sin theta into cos theta. Now students see, sin square theta plus cos theta is 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by sin theta into cos theta, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, and now what is left? only 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. So sin theta cos theta cancel, you get the answer 2. So what answer you got? Finally, what answer you got? 2. Yes, because 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta left. See how you got this as 1? This, because of this. You understood, no? So cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. This is 1. So 1 and minus 1 got cancelled. And then 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta is left. Next step. Next step, you should not cancel here, student. If you cancel here, it is wrong. It is wrong. In next step, you should do, or else I'll do it for you. So 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta, this will get cancelled. Answer is 2. Okay, so eliminate theta. Here also, did you get any answer in theta in any trigonometric terms? No, theta eliminated. Answer is 2. So he asked this answer, 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. What is the answer? So we converted into sin and cos. We solved. You can write this sum also as in converting into sin and cos. But why I wrote in eliminate theta means, so type 4 na means the answer you will not get in, like it is nothing like prove that. Or you can ask also prove that it is answer is 2. But answer na there is no theta. So while solving only theta got eliminated. Okay, sir. So now in eliminate theta, so we completed. Yeah, one more sum is there. Third sum, we will do it here only. So 9, if you take common here, student, so easy. This is secant square a minus tan square a, and secant square a minus tan square a is 1. So 9 ones are 9. This is multiple choice question of your textbook. So what is the answer of third bit is 9. So easy. Eliminate theta. Why eliminate theta? I wrote in type 4 because the answer na there is no theta in the answer. So you see, first sum the answer is 1. Third sum answer is 9. Fourth sum answer is 2. There is no theta. And second sum, you can write this sum. I said you before also in first type there, because in this second sum there are 3 identities we used, or it like whole square type. So we need to expand. So I wrote here whole square a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square. Just expand and you get this answer. This is very important sum, student. You can mark this as very, very important sum. Okay na? So I think you understood this type 4. Yes. So type 4 NCERT, there are less question, but when we see the previous year questions in the next series, I'll explain you type 4 how the questions they will ask, how eliminate theta, such questions. But from this 4 questions I have taken from only NCERT reader and I have made you solve in type 4. I hope you enjoyed the class. Thank you, students.